All right, this is just another quick video explaining some more Spanish crap. It's gonna be short. So, okay, the Ebal ending. I'm not sure if Iba exists, but I feel like it does. I don't know. You tell me. We have endings in Cebuano with the Ebal, and it correlates to the English iv, like the suffix iv. So the Ebal is like a suffix iv. And here's an example. So, positibo ba ang x minus dos? Yeah, positibo ba ang x minus dos? Is x minus 2 positive? Yeah, is x minus 2 positive? Positibo ba ang x minus dos? Yeah, it's like an algebra problem. It's really interesting. And a quick one here. Sa Alemanya, aktibo gyud si Angela Merkel sa politika. So, sa Alemanya means in Germany, aktibo gyud si Angela Merkel sa politika. So, Angela Merkel is very active in politics. Sa Alemanya, in Germany, Angela Merkel is really active in politics. So that's like your Ebal ending, your iv, if you will. And then the last one is able, or it corresponds to the bull endings in English. So able is that suffix, and we have the suffix bull in English. You'll see it. So, gihatag ko kwarta kang ate kay mas responsable siya kaysa imong tiyo. So, I gave money to ate. Ate is again like the older sister, the one that people look up to, I guess. The ate. She's the ate, the responsible one, right? I give money to ate because she's more responsible than your uncle. Gihatag og kwarta kang ate kay mas responsable siya kaysa imong tiyo. And the last one, Jesus Maria, kusog pa ang ulan. Wala na'y posibleng adlaw? So it's like, oh, Jesus Mary, it's still raining hard. Is there no other possible day? Or is there no possible day? No other one? Right? So it's really quick, and that's it.